Tarlam, Tarlam, Gagale.
All of the hours, all of the days that have brought me down every winding street and ancient alley to this place of light, of spirit, of raging winds and flurried skies. This place of wilderness on water, of tradition and vision, a world of music and dancers, scholars and leaders, and hope tempting your soul. This theatre of stone and cobbled streets where every life is a performance. It's a performance of youth and love and wisdom and tears. It's something different, something wild and ready and natural and oh so wonderful. This is the place we stay young forever. Come to the heart of this living, ever-changing performance. Breathe in its salty Atlantic air and bask in the brevity of its being. Tingle as you reach out to touch new worlds and see new futures in their youth. Immerse yourself in the performance as it swells from the depths of our souls, rising from the unseen like a storm. And let your own soul rise too as you live what is seen with hunger and enlightenment. And breathe. Embrace our best, because it is the best there is. Live again, be inspired. This is theatre. This is Galway Theatre Festival.
Targa Maile Shania. Tá John Rudge.